Inside this video, we are going to be creating the banner inside our Joomla template. But before going there, if you remember on the last video, we actually create this logo, but we only position this module inside the home page. So what will happen if we go to a different page? Let me show you what will happen. Index, let me click on this page. As you can see, the H2 element will be displaying in here without the logo. In order for you to fix this, you will need to do a small modification. You are going to go back to the CMS Gray, and inside here you are going to write down comma, and then you are just going to copy all this and Control V. In this case, we are going to change this H1 element to the H2, because remember, this will be an H2 element, not an H1 element. And with that modification, you can click Ctrl S and upload the CMS Gray again. Now if you refresh, see what will happen. Did you notice? Now we are going to be able to have the logo inside the H2 element. Let's go back to the banner, and for the banner we are going to be using this image. Down below you are going to be able to see Download Fashion Girl, and then you are going to be able to get this picture. However, you will need to have a free account in order to get this picture. I already downloaded this picture, so I am just going to go back, and inside Fireworks, let me, you know what, going back in here and print a screen on my keyboard. So I can go back and then click File. Let me minimize this file, New, and click OK. Then on the Zoom tool, right click and Fit All and Control V. Right here I am going to be creating this banner, and the dimensions are going to be 450 pixels times 70. So we are going to go in here and we are going to click on this crop tool and make a selection in here. Probably we are going to go down and double click. Then we are going to click on Modify, Canvas, and Image Size. The width will be 450 pixels. Click OK. Then we are going to click on the Zoom tool until we reach 100% down here. Click 1 and we just pass the 100. So we are going to right click and 100. Let me use the crop tool and reduce the height. We are going to have 70. You know what? Probably 80 will be good. Right there. And we are going to move this down and double click. Then we are just going to save this banner. Let's click on second up, and we are going to click in here and choose PNG 8. Then you are going to click on File and Export and save this banner inside the CMS Teachings. We are going to go to Images and we are going to give the name Banner N1. Click Save. Then go back to the administrator and we are going to go to Extensions and Module Manager. Inside here, let's go to Banner and we are going to change the name from Banner to Banner 1. Then down here you are going to write down Banner 1. Again, you can use any text you want. You can even use keywords if you want. Make a selection and then the link and then the URL. In this case, whatever URL will be fine. Joomla 25. Then click Insert. And we are going to go in here and click on Advanced. Inside the module class suffix, we are going to write down underscore and banner 1. Then we are going to make sure that this banner will be displayed inside all pages. Click Save and Close. Let's click on View Site, and now you are going to be able to see this link. The next step will be replacing this banner, but let me right click and view page source. If you scroll down, you are going to be able to see the banner with the class custom banner 1. So you are going to be using this custom banner class. So let's copy, right click and copy. Then we are going to go back inside the CMS Gray and down below in here, click enter, and then write down banner space and then the class. That will be custom banner 1. After that, you are going to click space one more time and then the anchor element. We are going to open the curly brackets, and then again we are going to be using all these properties in here. So you are just going to copy and paste them down here. What we are going to be changing in here will be the header. That will be banner 1, and the dimensions are going to be the width will remain the same and the height will be changed to 80. The text indent will remain the same, display block the same, and the border bottom the same. Now if you remember, on the last link we actually eliminate the border button, okay? So what we are going to do in here is copy all this, right click, well Control C, and then going back, comma, and Control V. In that way we are going to be targeting these two links with the same property. But don't forget that you will need to add the hover pseudo class, the colon and hover. Then let's click Ctrl S, and we are going to upload the new file. Click OK, and don't forget to upload the banner. Right click and upload. Let's go back to Mozilla and refresh. As you can see, my friends, now we are going to have the banner in here. What we are going to do next is move this banner a little bit down so we can center this banner inside this header. Let's go back, and we are going to apply a margin top. So let's write down margin and then top, the colon, and 10 pixels. Semicolon, Control S, and we are going to upload again and refresh. There you are. Finally, we are going to be eliminating the red color background. So let's go back in here, backspace, Control S, and upload everything again. Refresh, and there you have it, my friends.